Jyoti Agrari,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
you are 21, height 155, weight 52. It's perfectly fine. This will be your first SSB on 19th of July.
Yes, sir.
You go for morning run and exercise?
Yes, sir. Right. I do exercises in the morning.
Okay, because in Varanasi, I think only early morning you can find the
Yes, sir. Yeah.
slightly open roads, otherwise it becomes very congested.
Yes, sir.
You can go to BHU, very
Yes,
open
sir.
space, grounds are available there.
Yes, sir. But due to rain, I couldn't go these days. Otherwise,
Okay,
I used to go.
you stay close to BHU.
Yes, sir. Like about 2.5 kilometer away.
Which side of BHU?
Sorry?
Which side from BHU?
Sir, near Bhelupur, I live.
Near Bhelupur.
Yes, sir.
Bhelupur is towards the
Sir,
railway station
Gudolia
side.
side. Yes, sir.
Gadolia side, okay, towards
Yes, sir.
the Dasasmev Ghat.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, ahead of this Kashi Vishwanath temple.
Okay.
And am I right?
Sorry.
I am asking, am I right? Ki
Yes,
Bhelupur
sir.
is close to
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Dasasmev
Yes,
Ghat.
sir. Yes, sir. It is like 1 kilometer away only.
And I think Kashi Vishwanath temple is also close to it.
Yes, sir.
You have participated in co-curricular activities like debate, TED Talk, mock parliament, art avenues. What is elocution?
Sir, allocation is like we get 2, 3 topics, and from that we chose one topic and speak on the spot
Okay,
on it.
this is like an extempore
Yes,
speech.
sir.
NCC 3 years. You have got A grading. You must be a good cadet.
Yes, sir.
Slightly your percentage came down in 12th.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what could be the reason?
Sir, actually, I was more into social media and all, which hampered my studies,
Social media
like Facebook and all.
one has to be careful. One has to be very careful because there is a career making time for your.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Graduation, like your what was subject PCM?
Yes, sir. Physics, chemistry, maths, and my final year subject were physics and chemistry.
Okay. This is the first picture.
Yes, sir.
Read your story.
There was a 21-year-old girl, Nana. She was pursuing graduation and was an NCC cadet. Once she got an opportunity to attend a trekking camp in Darjeeling, and it was a wonderful experience there. After returning, she shared her experience with her classmates and teachers, and she proposed a plan of trekking and shared the details which she collected. Teachers and students discussed and asked the permission of family. Volunteer students raised the fund also contributed by teachers in college. They prepared then students with 4 teachers went next month to Darjeeling. Since Nana was familiar with the place, she explained everyone with the help of map and everyone participated enthusiastically. It was very memorable experience. They returned after 5 days happily.
What was the aim of Nana?
Uh, Sir, I think to make her friends experience the same thing that experience she had during the camp of NCC on tracking.
Actually, there hardly any aim which appears here, and you can see, I think, almost 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines, approximately more than 125 word story you have written. It becomes very difficult in 4 minutes to write 125 words. and that too for consecutive for 12 stories.
Yes, sir.
Try to keep it around 100.
Okay, sir.
And your central character should have an aim.
Okay.
And your story should relate to the picture. In this particular case, your story is not relating to picture.
Okay.
Yes. Can you see the second picture?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is this going on?
Sir, there is one student who is felicitating by principal, or it is a convocation day, and then he's touching, after receiving his degree, he's touching the feet of his principal.
Okay, that's correct. It is a convocation ceremony. Yes,
sir.
correct. Yeah, read it.
There was a 22-year-old man named Ashish. He was a commerce graduate and wanted to study MBA abroad. He did a preparation for Oxford University, qualified exam, and took admission. He performed very good in studies and graduated with flying colors. At the day of convocation, he got felicitated by the principal, and following his culture, he touched the feet of his principal. Principal got surprised by his humbleness and accepted his greetings. Ashish came to India, worked for 3 years in an MNC, and gained experience. Afterwards, he started his own company and doing very well in business. That is the story.
Okay. Okay, next for this. Okay, but like when somebody is in Oxford, then I think this Indian culture may not be there. And I don't know how much they know about Indian culture. This touching feet can be avoided.
Okay,
it is
sir.
not an Indian university. Okay, see the
Okay.
third picture. Yeah, what can
Yes,
you
sir.
see in this?
Sir, rock climbing.
Soldier kind of people climbing rocks. Yes. Read your story.
Okay. Raman was 21-year-old man and an army NCC cadet. Since he was very good in his drill, physical fitness, and studies, so he was sent in a national rock climbing camp where cadets from all over India have came. Raman made many friends there. On the fourth day of the camp, when they were performing rock climbing, Raman saw that one of his friends, Suraj, was a bit hesitant to start his climb, and Raman was few steps upward. Raman cheered Suraj and motivated him to start. Suraj started and performed good. All the cadets completed the task. Later, Suraj thanked Raman for the stand he took for him.
Unnecessary, you have made Suraj hesitant to start. Entire team should have Josh.
Yes,
No
sir.
problem. It is a training event. Yes. Theme you have picked up well. It's a correct theme. There is no problem. Like just making him hesitant creates a negativity.
Okay.
See the fourth picture.
Yes, sir.
Accident site.
Yes, sir.
Read your picture.
Rohan was 22-year-old man and a graduate student. One evening, while going to his nearby friend's house on a cup of tea, on the way he saw that an accident took place and 4 people got injured. He immediately ran to the person who was injured the most. He sat near him and gave him assurance and called ambulance. Meanwhile, gave first aid to everyone and called the nearby people for the assistance. By the time he informed their families and also called police. He accompanied them to the hospital and checked if everything is all right. He gave details to the police. Afterwards, he went to friend's house and apologized for the delay and told everything.
Okay, this is a better story. He has called for ambulance, but you have not catered for the horse.
Yes, sir.
He requires a veterinary assistance
Yes, sir.
and a veterinary ambulance also.
Yes, sir.
You got it?
Yes, sir.
This is a shortcoming of this story. Okay, keep reading your chat. I'll keep moving the slide.
Okay, sir. Hobby. Pursuing hobby refreshes a mind.
Okay.
Dark. Night is the best time to analyze the day.
Okay.
Desire to gain knowledge is appreciated.
Okay.
Enemy is defeated by tactics.
Okay. Good sentence. Good.
Failure. Thank you, sir. Failure teaches a worth lesson.
Okay. Nice.
Tree. Neem tree refreshes the air of the surrounding.
Okay. That's nice.
Moral. People with good moral values are liked by all. Sharp. Meditation sharpens the mind. Worthy. Hard work is worth for success.
Okay.
Pandemic. Optimist approach helps survive in pandemic. SRT. He is feeling sick and the next day he has to appear for his final exam. He took paracetamol, PCM medicine and rest. Early morning wake up with fresh mind and attempted exam and passed with good marks.
Your reactions are okay, but very lengthy. You know, you get only 30 seconds to write a reaction for a particular situation.
Yes,
And
sir.
if you write such a long reactions, then hardly you'll be able to reach 40 periods.
Okay.
So at least make it half, 8 to 10 words.
Okay, sir.
That will
So,
save
sir-
your time, that will boost
Yes,
your
sir.
confidence.
Okay, sir. Sir, so what could be the alternative answer for this?
Okay. Just for a
He's
like
feeling
you
sick.
can no
Yeah.
right. Took medication, comma,
Okay.
did
Yes,
well
sir.
in exam.
Okay, sir.
Did well means he has gone to exam center and he has attempted well. That's why he did well.
Yes,
That's
sir.
why he got good marks.
Yes, sir.
Took medication, comma, did well in exams.
Okay, sir.
I think 6-7 word will suffice.
Yes, sir. She was assigned responsibility to conduct an event. One of her lecturers opposed this decision. She would talk to her and figure out the reason and solve it if reasonable. Otherwise, she would conduct the event and focus on her work.
Do not use if in your reactions.
Okay, sir.
If and but can be avoided.
Okay, sir.
Next.
One of his friends fell off in the lake. One of his friends fell off in the lake and he doesn't know to swim. He would immediately ask the boaters or nearby people to save him.
Why he will not dive? It is his friend who do not know swimming.
Yes, sir.
But nobody said that he do not know the swimming. He should jump and save friend. He can raise alarm,
Okay.
and after taking him out, he should be given first aid also.
Yes,
Arrange
sir.
first aid for the friend.
Okay.
Yeah.
She got information about a possible raid by the dacoits in the village. She would inform the villagers to stay aware and active, and also inform police about it.
Okay.
Uh, his
That's
N-
fine. Yes.
uh, his NCC Havaldar was extremely stern and rough. He would talk to him personally about it when Havaldar's mood is good.
No, he should just follow his orders and uh, do best in training.
Okay, sir.
No, instructor's mood can be like it is not only one. Like you since you have been NCC cadet,
Yes,
somebody is
sir.
coming late, somebody is not dressed up properly, someone's haircut is not correct.
Yes, sir.
There's so many things. So instructor can be slightly harsh. There is no problem.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
Self description. Your parents' opinion about you. My parents know that I am loving, caring, well behaved, and responsible daughter. They want me to be a successful person in life.
Okay. Teachers.
Your teacher's opinion about you. My teachers know that I am sincere, disciplined, focused, quick learner, and a creative student. They appreciate my sense of responsibility and seriousness towards everything. They want me to bring good name to school and college.
Okay.
Your siblings' opinion about you. My siblings knows that I am loving, caring, and have a good sense of humor. They know that I am a good secret keeper. They always seek my opinions.
Okay. Your strengths.
Your strong and weak point. My strength includes that I have a good communication skill. I am self-motivated, and small things do not matter much for me. My weakness is that I hesitate sometimes.
Okay. But in your strengths, you have not included that you are a good secret keeper
Uh,
and a good
yes, sir.
sense of humor.
Okay, sir.
Huh?
Sir, I can mention it in it.
Yes,
In a strength.
you should know your strengths.
Yes, sir.
Okay, your self-description is fine. SRTs are lengthier. Keep
Okay.
to 8 or 10 words, maximum 10 sometimes.
Okay, sir.
Your wet is okay, fine. Your stories need lot of improvements.
Okay, sir.
You have to practice, and after practice, just impartially see whether that is fitting into things or not. That is fitting into logic or not.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, how to get the theme of story?
Okay, like this is very clear. This is the accident scene. What all
Yeah.
action you are supposed to take during the accident time?
Yes.
Then it clearly shows it's a training.
Yeah.
And more of your NCC, NCC training. It can be part of NCC training camp, or it can be a separate rock climbing or the mountaineering camp. Mountaineering camp routine again is morning PT, some classes, some physical exercises.
Yes, sir.
That's how you should cover. This is convocation for the students
Yes,
who
sir.
have just graduated. You can be an organizer also. There can be a person who can be a very good organizer for all this.
Yes, sir.
In this, you never had any theme actually. You just described some incident. You should have a theme and some achievement about it.
Sir, actually, the girl and a few of boys have scarf kind of a thing on their head.
No,
So,
these are all girls. These are all girls. In fact, only one doubtful figure is this. But you
yeah,
can
he's
see
a
this
boy.
hanky she is putting. Can you see her?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is the way hanky normally girls they put the handkerchief like this.
Yes, sir.
and she is very clearly a girl.
Yeah.
ये भी दिख रहा है, ये भी दिखता है. They are all girls. Your story needs improvement. Your communication skill is fine, and you need to brush up the communication skill. I will forward you the topics on which you should make notes, and
Okay,
which all
sir.
magazines, and how you should prepare current affairs.
Okay,
I'll forward
sir.
you that.
Sir.
You must listen to my videos very carefully in a very simplest of the language, and these are very important.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You found my guidance useful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe.